Welcome to SGS online classes. Today I Abhishek Singh going to start class 5 EVS assessment 1 chapter 4 major landforms part 2 plateaus, plains, river and desert. Let's start from first topic plateaus. Plateaus are formed by internal and external both process. What are plateaus? Highland having flat top is called plateau. It is also called a tableland. Plateaus are naturally raised areas of land which have steep slopes, flat tops. Example Deccan Plateau. So how plateaus are formed? External process. Plateaus form as magma deep inside the earth pushes toward the surface but fails to break through the crust. Instead, the magma lifts up the large flat impenetrable rock above it. So in this way plateau is formed. Now internal process. Plateau can be formed by the erosion of surrounding areas, by river flooding and glacier activity. Plateaus are rich in mineral deposits. So copper, diamond, gold, etc. are found in plateaus. Plateaus are useful for agriculture, animal rearing, etc. The river flowing down through slopes of plateau are good source of irrigation. Many waterfalls and scenic spots can be seen in plateau, so it is attracted by tourists. Now, plain. Plains are low-lying areas with flat surfaces and gentle slopes. Most plains are formed by the deposition of alluvium, which is made up of sand, silt and clay, brought by rivers, while flowing down mountains and plateaus at great speed. The Gangetic Plain of India is an example of alluvial plain. These have fertile soil and are ideal for agriculture. River flowing through the plains provides sufficient water for irrigation. Land is easy to construct, build roads and lay down railway tracks on a flat surface. Now journey of a river. River originate in the mountains from natural springs or glaciers. They flow down at a great speed due to the steep slopes of the mountain. As they reach the plains, they widen and their speed slows down. Finally, these rivers reach larger water bodies like oceans, seas or lakes and merge with them. Place where they end is called mouth. Here they deposit large quantities of silt in triangular shapes called deltas. River provide water for agriculture, generation of electricity and for drinking and other household purposes. They make the plain fertile by depositing alluvium which they bring along while flowing down the mountain and plateaus. Now hot desert and cold desert. Hot desert. Huge difference between the day and night temperature. Sand dunes, sandstorms and scorching hot days. Animals such as camel and plants such as cactus are found here. Now in cold desert, temperature below freezing point, snowstorms and extremely cold weather. Animals such as Arctic fox, penguins and plants such as Antarctic hairgrass, mosses, lichens, etc. are found here. Hot desert, Sahara desert, Thar desert are example of hot desert. Arctic and Antarctic in the polar regions are the example of cold desert. Desert have a unique ecosystem. The sidewinder is a venomous snake found in the hot desert. Several varieties of cactus are also found here. Desert contain minerals such as calcite and borates in large quantities. So, part 2 is completed. Thank you.